How to mention someone on WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and further, tap on the search bar there and search for WhatsApp and make sure the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version. Now, go ahead and open WhatsApp application and then tap on the Updates option from the bottom left toolbar. You will then see the camera icon. Tap on that and further select an existing image, or you can also take a snap at that very moment. Once you have the snap ready, tap on the @ icon you see on the bottom right of your screen and further type in the name of the individual you want to mention. Once selected, tap on the send button from the bottom right again, and with this, the individual will be mentioned, as you can see here. So, this is how you can mention someone on WhatsApp status. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.